Hi and welcome to Spice and Pans. It's raining cats and dogs outside, so it's a little bit noisy, so please bear with me for a while. Today we'll be cooking stir-fried Kam Heong Chicken. So let's start cooking. In collaboration with Pots and Pans Culinary Studio, we are launching an incredible cooking course featuring our loved recipes. Join us in our exclusive local Chinese delight course. Sign up with the link below or scan this QR code. See you there! Now we'll start to marinate our chicken. I have with me over here one whole piece of boneless chicken leg weighing approximately 320 grams. Cut them into small pieces like this, and we'll add in our marinade. Half a teaspoon of sugar, put it in. 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce. And 1 tablespoon of curry powder. I'm using meat curry powder. Mix them up well first. Once you mix them up well, we'll add in 3 tablespoons of corn flour. Mix them up well again. Once they are coated well with the corn flour, we'll add a little bit of oil. Basically, the oil is to help seal the meat up so the juices will remain inside the chicken. And also, when we shallow fry them, it will be easier to separate them out. So mix them up again. And we'll leave them in the fridge to marinate for at least an hour. I'll see you back in a while. We'll now prepare the sauce for our chicken. I have with me over here 200 milliliters of water. This is the water that I use to soak the dried shrimp in. Add in 1 tablespoon of curry powder. The same meat curry powder that I used to marinate the chicken just now. 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, as well as 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce. Pour everything in and mix them together. Once you have mixed them well together, we'll set them aside and proceed to put the dish together. Now we're going to shallow fry our chicken. Heat up your oil. Make sure it's hot enough. I'm using medium heat right now. You can do the same. How do we know whether the oil is hot enough? Using a bamboo chopstick, put it in the oil, and if you see bubbles rising up like this, that means it's hot enough. We are now slowly placing our chicken. I'm not using too much oil because I'm just shallow frying this. Right? Don't overcrowd your pan. Slowly put them in. When we place them in, we don't want to move them immediately. Let them cook for a minute or two before we turn it to the other side. Remember to bring out your chicken from the fridge and rest for approximately half an hour before you cook them. Otherwise, they will not cook properly. Some of you might ask whether you can skip this step and cook the chicken directly with the sauce. Yes, you can. We've tried it before, but it's not as nice as what I'm currently doing now. I have too much chicken, so I'm frying them in 2 batches. Now it's been about 1 minute or so. Let's give this a check. Something like this will be good. A little bit golden brown. Now we'll turn all the chicken to the other side. Now if the oil is too hot, just reduce the heat. Why are we shallow frying the chicken instead of just frying them directly with the sauce? Is because we want some of the moisture of the chicken to be out so that it can actually be more flavorful later. Look at how beautiful this is right now. Same thing, another 1 to 2 minutes and we remove them from the oil. About a minute has gone. Let's just check our chicken. Beautifully fried like this, golden brown. We'll remove them from the oil and continue to fry our second batch. I'll show you the next step after I finish frying all my chicken. Now we'll start to fry our aromatics. I've removed most of the oil, leaving behind about 2 tablespoons of it. Using medium heat, we'll add in our aromatics. Half a red onion slice, put it in. 1 red chilli, deseeded, the big chilli, sliced thinly like this, put them in. 1 lemongrass, using the white color stalk only, sliced thinly like this, add them in. 2 kaffir lime leaf, sliced thinly like this, remove the spine, put them in. 2 sprigs of curry leaves, just put the leaves in. Add in also 1 tablespoon of rehydrated dried prawns, which I've soaked earlier. Add them all in. We will chop them up, of course. Mix them around. We want to get all the beautiful aromatics out. I'm already beginning to smell these beautiful fragrances that's coming out from all these beautiful aromatics. Once you start to smell them, we'll add in our garlic. 3 cloves of garlic chopped. Put it in. Mix them around. Right, get all the beautiful flavors out. There's 2 versions to this dish. There's a dry version, and the version I'm doing now is the one with gravy, which is really good with steamed rice. If you want to know how to make the dry version or the fried chicken version, I'll leave a link behind on the description box. You can click it and also learn to cook that dish. Beautifully colored like this. This is what we want. I'm using medium heat, so do the same please. Fry them for a little while more. Just want to see a little bit of color. Okay, now that the aromatics are really beautiful, we'll add in our sauce. Give your sauce a mix again. Pour them all in. We'll turn the heat up to medium-high. Cook them for approximately 30 seconds to 1 minute for all the flavors to come together. It's going to be so beautiful and delicious. If you have space in your house, you can consider buying a pot of curry leaves and kaffir lime leaves, because in Southeast Asian cooking, these are very commonly used. Let them boil together. Get all the beautiful flavor infused together. Once it starts to boil like this is the time when we will add our sugar in. Now we'll add in 1 teaspoon of sugar. Now we'll thicken out our sauce with some cornstarch solution. Thicken it to the consistency that you like. Something like this will be good. And when this is done, we'll add back our chicken. Give them a good mix. Make sure they are coated well with the sauce. Turn the heat up to high right now. Reduce it down a little bit. Oh, look at this beautiful sauce. This sauce on rice, this is a rice killer, definitely. We just need to reduce the sauce slightly and make it thicker like this, right? And this is done. Let's turn off the flame and it's time for our lunch. Beautiful. And now the dish is done, let's have a taste. I love this very beautiful curry aroma that is coming out from here. Let's just try this now. Oh. I tell you, this goes very well with steamed rice, especially steamed rice. The sauce, the taste, it has a lot of flavor bursting within the chicken itself. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you like our video. Do click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and now it's your turn to cook. See you. Bye bye. Wow. One word, fragrance. 好吃。